Hi, this is Sakura. Manager-san, I thought you want to teach the audience about some cryptocurrency stuff.
We'll start with what a blockchain is first, Sakura.
A blockchain, is that some sort of sparkling jewelry? Sakura loves jewelry.
Sakura, you silly donkey. It's actually a network of distributed computers holding transaction data that can be verified by everyone and also can't be changed.
Thank you for explaining to me, Manager-san. What are these crypto coins I've been hearing about? Are these coins you put in a wallet?
Well, Sakura, you do have the right idea that the coins are stored in a wallet. However, this is a digital wallet rather than a physical one. It's like a special piggy bank that can be used anywhere in the world to make purchases.
Wow, that sounds like magic. What are the most popular coins now, Manager-san?
Well, there are three most popular coins globally. They are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano.
Oh, Manager-san, I'm getting sleepy. Can we continue this another time?
Alright, Sakura, another time then.
Thank you everyone for listening. Till next time. Bye bye.